So today we will discuss how to do data validation in Excel sheet. So what is data validation? Basically, data validation is in Excel sheet is a feature that allows you to control and restrict the type of data that users can enter into a cell or range of cells. This helps to maintain data integrity and accuracy in your worksheets. You can define various rules and conditions for data entry, such as setting a range of valid values, limiting the length of text, or providing a drop-down list of options for users to choose from. So let's get it started with data validation and learn how to do it. Before starting the lecture, I would like to request you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as this motivates me to create such free tutorials for you. So this is age, answer and date. I want my users to put data in these three columns. So I apply data validation first of all to this column. I would select the range where I want my users to enter the data, and then I will go to data and then to data validation. When you click on data validation, you will get this pop-up box. There you have different settings. The first tab is settings, second is input message, the message you want your users to see after entering the data, and this is error alert. If somebody put data which violates the data validation rules, then this message will show on the screen. So let's come to the main point. Here is the drop down options you can apply. If you want your users to put a whole number, you should click on this, and here again you can give the conditions. If you want your users to put some numbers which are between some kind of range, then you can select this option, then not between, then equal to, then not equal to, and so on. We check our example with this option between. I want my users to put data which is 18 at the minimum level and 23 at the maximum level. So this is the range where we have applied the validation. If somebody puts age 18, then let's see what this says. It says it accepts because we have put the range between 18 and 23. So if somebody write 16, then this will give you the message that the value you entered is not according to the data validation rules. Then again I would put the higher value 24, again it will give an error. So your users have to put values which are between 18 and 23. So these are being accepted. Now let's come to another validation rule. I want to apply the validation rule in this range. I would click on validation, and then I want this time to allow my users to select from a list. I will give the option. If I ask somebody a multiple choice question and let them answer from 1, 2, 3, 4, then I will write 1, then comma, then 2, then comma, then 3, then comma, and 4. This will show 4 options, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the users so that they can select from them. Beyond these 4 options, they would not be allowed to select any option. So here is, you have to click on this arrow and the user has to select one from these 4 numbers. Then again, I want to put values in this cell. Here I want to write 3, here I want to write 4, and here I want to write 2. So this is how you allow your users to select from the options you have provided to them. Now come to another example. We want to see this option, how this works. I want my users to select some specific dates. I would select this range and then come here and then select the date option, and will give the option to the users, a range of dates. 5th of month and 10th of month. This means any user can put the value from 5 to 10. Below 5 he would not be allowed, and beyond 10 he would not be allowed to enter. Let's see it in operation. The first user want to write 5, he will be allowed. Okay. The second user want to write 4, he would not be allowed because that is not within the range. So he would again write a value which is in between 5 and 10. And then somebody want to put 20, he would not be allowed. Yes. So he has to put a value which is between 5 and 10, and so on. So users, my dear friends, this is how we do data validation in Excel sheet. I hope this video adds value to your knowledge. Thank you for watching.